Good morning, guys. So it is Friday morning. I am on my way to another eyelash appointment, and I mean, they're fine. Like, I'd otherwise just wait another week, but I have a wedding coming up this weekend, so I figured I may as well like get them nice and full. So yeah, I have my appointment, and then I need to stop at Target at some point. I need to still get a wedding gift. The wedding's in 2 days, and I still didn't get a gift or a card or anything. I'm still not even 100% sure what I'm gonna be wearing or anything like that, but it's fine. I'm not in it, so it's not like that big of a deal. I'm just gonna get them a Target gift card, and I need to pick up a couple things for myself, and then I do have work tonight. Killing me softly with his song. I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. The kind of girl you like is right here with me, right here with me, right here. Oh, really? Hell yeah. I'm sailing away. They said, come sail away, come sail away, come sail away with me. Busted out the thigh-high boots for the first time since last winter. Lashes are very full. I told her to just go like as full as she wanted, do whatever she wanted. I just wanted to keep my length how it was, and oh man, did she go freaking full. I don't know that I've had my lashes this full ever. Maybe I don't know. I know I used to do them like super full and super long, but it's been a while, and this, like, I just look ridiculous right now. Especially with no other makeup on. But I think that when I have a full face on, and if I like do my eye makeup especially and put like something on my lower lash line, they will look good. I mean, she did an amazing job. They look beautiful, but they're just like a little too crazy than what I am used to. I normally I like them really full and pretty long, but I like to be a little more on the natural side, just so that when I don't have makeup on, which is like 90% of the time, they still look okay. But what's good is they will last me a long time, so I probably won't need to get a fill for like another 4 or 5 weeks at least. But I went to Target. I need to get some tampons for myself, and then I saw that Target sells Quest bars now. I don't know if how long they've been doing that, but they had these smaller boxes that come with 4 bars for, I think they were $7.99, which is pretty good because if you buy the bars individually, they're like $2 and change. So this comes out to like $2 exactly per bar, and birthday cake has been my favorite flavor so far, so I thought I would just grab a little box of those. If you guys saw my last vlog, I talked about these. These are protein bars that have a lot of fiber in them and very low net carbs, like 4 or 5 net carbs depending on the flavor that you get, less than 1 gram of sugar. So they're a nice like keto-friendly option if you're craving something sweet. And then this is the card that I ended up getting them. I was looking at a whole bunch of them, but a lot of them are just like really cheesy and corny, and that's just not me. And I know they probably don't care. Like, they're gonna get a shit ton of cards from everyone and probably just like go through them real quick, probably not even keep most of them. But still, I didn't want to like just give them some corny generic card. I wanted it to feel like me. So I just saw this one, which I thought was pretty funny. Congrats on locking down your in case of emergency contact. And it doesn't say anything on the inside, which is good, so that way I can write them my own little message. And then I just got them a Target gift card. And yeah, that's it. Can't go wrong with a gift card, right? Especially for some place like Target. You literally get everything that you need there. So, all right. I need to go to work now, so I will check back in with you guys later. Good morning! I am currently running late to work. I just left the house and I should like be there right now. Luckily I only live 10 minutes away though, and my client, oh cool, my gas light is on now. Yeah, I have to be there for 10. My client doesn't come until 10:30, so I have a little bit of extra time. Luckily, there was a mouse in my house this morning. I guess my dad had left the garage door open last night while he was doing something, and so my mom thinks that it came in from that. And she said that this morning she went to the living room and she like heard a noise and saw like this little thing out of the corner of her eye like dart across the room, and she freaked out. And we have 3 cats, but 2 of them are not like they both ran in the opposite direction. They were like, no thank you. So luckily one of them, he still has like that normal cat instinct to like hunt and get things, so he was able to kind of like, you know, scare it into like one corner of the room, and then from there I had the door open and I just kind of like chased it out with the broom, because I didn't want it to get hurt, but I needed to get it out of the house so my mom would stop screaming. So I had to stay, because of course like it was hiding for a while, so she was like, I don't know like what happened to it, your dad left the door open for a while and I don't know if it ran out or if it's still here. And then of course it came out of hiding like right as I was about to leave for work, so I was like, let me help her. And now I'm stuck behind people that are driving really slow. But I did my makeup today really quickly, so it doesn't look the best, but the lashes look amazing when I have makeup on. And it's nice that I don't have to bother putting on a strip lash to get the look of a strip lash. And I'm wearing this new lipstick too. I cannot remember the name of it for the life of me, so I will list it in the description, but I got it in the mail from e.l.f. I'm on their PR list, and yeah, it's a matte liquid lipstick, and I feel like on me it looks a little bit more red, but it's like the most beautiful like burnt orange color. It's really pretty. I don't know about the formula so far. It does feel pretty dry. So yeah, it's Saturday. I am going into work. I have a balayage to do today. I'm not gonna be filming it, but don't worry, I will do one for a YouTube video soon. Then I need to go home and kind of like figure out everything for the wedding tomorrow. Like I still haven't even fully decided what I'm gonna wear, how I want to do my hair. I need to fill out the card, like, you know, get that all together. I don't think anything else exciting is gonna happen, so I don't know if I will vlog anything else later. But yeah, if not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look what fits me. Hello. I am about to leave for my friend's wedding. I never show cleavage, and I don't know, but you can't really avoid it in this dress. I have one of those bras, if you've seen them on Instagram, that they stick on you, and then it has like the ties in the middle that you pull tight so it like brings your boobs together. This dress is from Fashion Nova. I showed it like a couple vlogs ago, and when I first got it in the mail like 2 weeks ago, it like, I don't know, it was fitting me. It fit, but like it was a little too tight and kind of uncomfortable. I had to order it in a small because that was all that was left. And I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna, you know, wear it. But I don't know if I actually lost weight or if I'm just less bloated today, or I don't know. But it feels okay. Like it's definitely a tight, like form-fitting dress, but it doesn't feel like uncomfortable. And I am bringing my leather jacket because it is an outdoor wedding, and I know it's gonna get chilly later, and I think it's supposed to even rain at some point. So that way I'll have this with me so I can kind of cover up, because I don't want to be too revealing. It does have like a high slit and the cleavage, so I'm kind of like, I don't normally wear stuff like this. Okay, I need to put in these directions and get going. I think that it's like an hour and a half-ish away. It says that it's actually an hour and 40 minutes. So here we go. Update. I pulled into the parking lot at my job and decided to put my hair up because that's how I originally wanted to wear it, and I don't know, I like it pulled back a little bit more, especially with this dress. And then I decided to take that sticky bra off because I was like, I just feel like the cleavage is too much and it looks stupid, and I feel like you gotta either you do a lot of leg or you do cleavage. You can't do both. Like, I can't do both. And I don't know, it probably, like, it didn't feel uncomfortable, but I'm sure like by the end of the night it would have been driving me crazy. So I was like, you know what, I don't even need to wear a bra with this dress. So fuck it, I ripped that shit off. And yeah, now I'm feeling more comfortable. Hi guys. I just got out of the shower, clearly. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, yesterday I didn't vlog at all because I was choosing the day to kind of recover from the wedding. I didn't record too much because I just wanted to be in the moment with all of my friends, but it was such a cute wedding.
For that reason, and simply feel something spiritual. And these are moments to be cherished. It is indescribable and immense.
Hold up. Get him a shot. Get Valerie a shot too. He put on senoritas coming up, so you better be ready.
It was just so fun, and we all just like were dancing all night, and it was great. And I'm really glad that I went, and I'm happy for them. But yeah, I didn't end up, because the wedding was like 2 hours away from my house, so I didn't end up getting home till like 3:30, I want to say. It's just funny because it's like after 25 you just can't hang the way you used to. Like anytime I drink now, or especially if I'm like out past 10 o'clock, I need like a full day to recover. So that's what I did yesterday. It's already like 5 o'clock now. I haven't really done much. I do have to go run some quick errands though, so I'm gonna go dry my hair and do that. So that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.